Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you a super simple way to check your GPU details on Windows using the GPU Check application. If you've ever wondered what graphics card your computer is using or want quick system info without digging through settings, this tool makes it incredibly easy. GPU Check is a lightweight Windows application that lets you quickly view your graphics card information. It allows you to see the current video card name, driver date, driver version, and total memory. It also includes additional details such as shared memory, used memory, committed memory, and temperature, if available. As you perform tasks such as web browsing or watching a YouTube video, GPU memory usage will change, either increasing or decreasing. Design. On the same settings page, you can also customize the color of the user interface. Change the radio button to System Theme to use the operating system's color. If you select the Custom Theme radio button, you can set your own background color. Windows 11 widget. You can also add GPU Check to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select GPU Check from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. Furthermore, there isn't just one widget, there are 4 widgets. Let's add them all to the Windows board. By clicking the three-dot menu in the top corner of a widget, you can change its size to small, medium, or large. You can also select Customize Widget to adjust its settings. And that's it. That's how you check your GPU on Windows using GPU Check. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.